you taking the lesson today, Willow? Do you want to play with a pom-pom? She's not sure, but she's purring anyway. You gonna stay? We're doing some work with the dice today. No, she's not keen. Hi everyone. I just thought I'd bring my pom-poms with me today. I've made some tiger pom-poms for our tea party on Thursday. I just thought I'd show them. I've used a toilet roll holder which I cut in half and then I rolled to make the handle, and then I cut strips of plastic bags and then I cut them down, not all the way to the end, and then I wrapped them around my handle to make my little pom-poms. So if you would like to make some of those, I'll find a little video for you to watch so you can make some of your own. There we go. Right, today's maths activity is all about telling the time. So I've got a little game for us to play and it's called Feeding Time at the Zoo. And I've drawn some pictures of the animals that we might find at the zoo. And I've already put the outline of the clock. I've put all the numbers on from 1 to 12. And I've drawn the big hand on your clock already, which means that every time is going to be an o'clock time. So let's go through and see what animals we've got in our zoo today. So we've got a tiger, we've got a penguin, we've got an elephant, we've got a monkey, we've got a lion, and we've got a giraffe. Can we see the giraffe? If we move tiger, maybe we can. There we go. Come and sit next to me, tiger. So, on all the clocks, I've put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the big hand is pointing to the 12 on every clock so that we know it's going to be an o'clock time. Now for this activity, you're going to need 2 dice again. And you can roll them into a bowl like me, or you can roll them on the table. And you're going to need something to draw your little hand on your clock. So I'll show you what we do. You get the 2 dice, you roll them at the same time, and then we need to add the numbers together. So I've rolled a 5 and a 3. So I need to add those numbers together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got the number 8, which means that the tiger is going to get fed at 8 o'clock. So I've already got the o'clock. Now the little hand needs to point to what number. What number did we get? 8, that's right. So my little hand needs to point to the 8. When we draw a little hand, we draw it not quite all the way there, but pointing to the 8. There we go. So the tigers are going to get fed at 8 o'clock. Let's see what time my penguins are going to get fed. Oops. Now let's see, we've got a 5 and a 1 this time. Let's see what 5, I think I've got dropsy today. Oh, let's see what 5 and 1 makes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've rolled number 6. So my penguins are going to get fed at 6 o'clock. So which number on my clock do I need to draw the little hand pointing to? If I want 6 o'clock, what do we think? Is it the number 4 or is it the number 6? That's right, the number 6. So I'm going to draw it not all the way there, but pointing to the number 6. So my penguins will get fed at 6 o'clock. They'll get some yummy fish and maybe a little bit of krill or squid. Now, let's see what time the elephants are going to get fed at the zoo. Oh, there we go. I've got a 2 and a 1 this time. Let me add those numbers together. 1, 2, 3. 3, I got that time. So my elephants are going to get fed at 3 o'clock. So which number do I put the small hand facing towards if it's 3 o'clock? The number 3, that's right. So let's put it facing the number 3, but not quite there. Remember, it's a small hand, so I've got 3 o'clock. Those elephants are going to get fed at 3 o'clock. Now, who's this? It's my cheeky monkey. Let's see what time he's going to get his bananas. I've got a 2 and a 6 on my dice this time. So I need to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, another one getting fed at 8 o'clock. My tiger was getting fed at 8 o'clock as well. The monkeys are getting their bananas at the same time. That's going to be a busy zookeeper. Now, 8 o'clock. 8. Do I put my hand pointing to the 7 or the 8 this time for 8 o'clock? That's right, we're getting the hang of it. The 8 for 8 o'clock. So the little hand's pointing to the 8 and the big hand's pointing to the 12. 2 more to do. My lions need feeding this time. Let's roll the dice again. There we go. Oh, I've got 2 big numbers this time. A 6 and a 5. Let's count the spots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, 11 o'clock. The lions are going to have to wait till 11 o'clock to be fed. Now, where's number 11? Let me count round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There it is. Draw my little hand pointing to the 11. And my last one to be fed is the very patient giraffes. Let's have a look. Oh, more big numbers. A 6 and a 5 again. Can you remember what they made last time when we did the lion? Let's see if they make the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the lions are going to be fed at the same time as the giraffes. Let me draw the little hand on, remember, or the 11. There we go. And that's how we make our feeding time at the zoo. I've left all the pictures uncoloured so you can have a go at colouring them in if you can print out this sheet for you to do. I hope you enjoyed that activity, everybody. See you later.